Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your mortgage documents in Rocket Mortgage Portal, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify your mortgage documents in the Rocket Mortgage Portal, start by navigating to the Rocket Mortgage website. Log into your account using your email and password. Once logged in, locate the My Dashboard section. Look for the Documents tab in the navigation menu. Click on the Documents tab to access your mortgage documents. Here, you will find a list of all your submitted documents. Select the document you wish to verify. Click on the document name to open it. Review the details carefully to ensure all information is accurate. Check for any errors or missing information. If you find discrepancies, make a note of them. For assistance, locate the customer support option on the site. You can either call or chat with a representative for help. If everything looks correct, return to the Documents tab. Make sure to verify the status of your documents as well. Documents may be labeled as pending, approved, or needs action. Take appropriate steps based on the status of your documents. If any documents need action, follow the prompts provided. For any issues, utilize the resources available in the Help section. Keep your documents organized for easy access in the future. Once you have confirmed everything is in order, log out of your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.